welcome back to Simply Krissy. So I did something a little crazy. I decided that since salons are slowly opening and I really needed a relaxer and I'm just not ready to like put myself out there right now, I decided to do my own relaxer at home with the help of my mom and my friend. So guys, before we get into this video, make sure you click that bell down below so you can get post notifications on when next I upload, as well as subscribe to the channel so we can stay connected. So without further ado, let's get started.
So much for watching this video. I know it's a little kind of hard to see, but this was my first time doing my relaxer by myself. I'm very pleased with the results. I went ahead and deep conditioned, which you guys would have seen, and then after I roller set my hair, I blew out my roots and flat ironed my hair, and these are my results after the takedown process. I do need a trim, but my hair is growing. I am retaining length, and I will share with you guys in a video very soon how I change my routine to maintain length. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you like this video, if you have ever done your own relaxers, if this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.